Your puppy suddenly makes a strange noise. Don't ignore it, it could be a sign of danger. Puppies can cry for many reasons: stomachache, fear, or even a dangerous disease. If your puppy is constantly crying in pain, refusing to eat or drink, or showing other unusual signs, these are signs you need to pay attention to immediately. Sometimes, it's not just a normal cry. It's a distress signal when they're scared, in pain, or feeling lonely. Did you know every strange sound a puppy makes has its own hidden meaning? And sometimes, it's a sign of illness that owners often ignore. Don't ignore this small but important signal. Watch the full video. Strange sounds in puppies, signals owners cannot ignore, to better understand and protect your baby.